Hi guys, and welcome to Total Technik. Today working on the Audi Q7. This is the 4L model, has the 3 litre V6 engine, and we're going to be looking at how to remove your main air pipe. So let's start by removing the little engine cover at the back here. Just pull it up from either side, lift it out and put that to one side. So on the back here you've got a little vacuum hose. You can just see the top of it here, and if you look in the mirror, hopefully you guys can see in there, all you do is you literally pull off this lower hose. So just grab it, give it a bit of a wobble, and that's the hose just there that you're looking just to disconnect. So next we've got these large banded clips here, so you want to start slacking these off. I think the ones on this particular vehicle we're working on are non-genuine. Certainly appear that way. Not that that matters, the principle's exactly the same. So we'll just loosen that off and move it out of the way, and then we'll do the same on the second one just here. Now just grab the whole hose, move it side to side, pop it off at this end, and then repeat the process carefully down at this end. As you can see, that whole pipe is now completely free from the car and can be removed. So there we go guys, if it's been useful for you, a quick favour in return, could you please hit that like button. We also have hundreds more Audi DIY videos available both on our YouTube channel and our website totaltechnik.com. Thanks guys, we'll see you again.